Hey loves, it's been a minute here and I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can start your banana bread business, like the miniest way you can start it. When I mean miniest, don't mind me, I just mean you can start from as low as you can. Okay, you don't need all of the equipment, you don't need all of the crowd, like client base, before you start your banana bread business. So yeah, I'm just showing you all the ingredients I will be using. I have baking powder, I have sugar, I have vegetable oil, I have eggs, vanilla and banana essence, I have milk. My milk, I just put 2 sachets of powdered milk in water, and yeah, I got the quantity I want. And yeah, I have some nuts. I have this nut at home, so all I did is put it in my blender and I crushed it a bit. So there I have my flour. This is basically everything you need, and everything here is very easy to have. Okay, if you are going into businesses, this is some of the things you should have in bulk. You can omit some of them, like the chocolate chips. You can actually omit it, like the peanuts. There I have just almond and cashew nuts. You can omit it, depend on what your client wants, okay, because that's not what everyone eats. So you have to ask if you should top it with peanuts, and that calls for extra cost in case you want to know that. Okay, so first thing first, you match your bananas. Go ahead and add your sugar. This is a very simple recipe and it's self-explanatory. Like if you watch, you are going to understand it because it's very simple. So guys, I don't know, I usually just go ahead and break my eggs right in my mixture, but I got a bad experience lately and I've learned to always break my eggs one by one in a bowl before adding it to my mixture, because the eggs I kept, I didn't even know that one or two of them were bad, and I added it to my mixture, and that had me throwing up everything. Like I threw up all of the mixture I've already made. So to prevent that from happening, I just go ahead and break it separately before adding to my mixture. So that is that. I'm adding my vegetable oil. I'm just going to add all of the ingredients needed right in this mix before sifting in my baking powder and my flour. Like I said, this is self-explanatory. Go ahead and watch and you understand exactly why I said it's self-explanatory. And you want to watch till the end, okay, because you need to know how I package this, like the minimalist way to package your banana breads and send it out to your clients, and it will still look top notch. This is just how you start your banana bread business without breaking the bank. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for always staying by and waiting for my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel, because at this point I don't even know where I stopped. I know I have promised you guys a lot of videos. I will need you guys to remind me of the videos I've promised you and I haven't made it up. Okay, please, I'm begging. This is actually a favor that I'm asking for you guys. Okay, so enjoy the video. I'll be back to talk to you. So after mixing all of that, I'm going to add my flour and baking powder. Guys, I need you to know that if you're using a self-raising flour, you don't need baking powder. Okay, go ahead and add your flour and mix. Okay, but because I'm using a all-purpose flour, that is the reason I'm using baking powder. Self-raising flour, like the one you get abroad, you know, those of you abroad, you know, you always have self-raising flour. Go ahead and use it without baking powder. Okay, now that we are done with all of the portioning, and yeah, everything is set, but it's time to add our topping, which is my crushed nuts. I'm adding nuts to some of them, and yeah, just one of them doesn't need any topping at all, but one of them needed more chocolate chips on top. So I'm adding like full nuts in like 3 of this batter already in the pan. Okay, so you want to do according to your client's preference. You can just go ahead and tell them you have plain banana bread available. That means you won't be needing chocolate chips, nuts, or any toppings at all, or any filling at all. Go ahead and do that, but we are making with preference here. So this is what it looks like before baking, and now we're just going to bake for 15 minutes. Yeah, so guys, while we wait for our bread to come out from the oven, I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys about this upcoming class hosted by my friend Jennifer Rowland of Jennifer Rowland channel. So this is a class coming up in August, but registration will end at the end of this month, July. So go ahead and register. It's an editing class. If you are a YouTuber and you are struggling to edit your videos, thinking of ways to upgrade your editing skills and all of that, so this is your go-to, because she will be giving you all of the tea. She will be taking you, like holding your hands, telling you how to upload videos, the format to use for all your socials and all of that. See, there's a lot to talk about this class, but we don't have all the day yet, so I'm going to leave some of the details in my description box. I will leave our WhatsApp link as well, so you can message her and get more of the details. Okay, so our bread is out of the oven at this point, and you can see how beautiful this looks. You can see all of the variants, the nutty one, the chocolatey one, the plain one, even if you still have chocolate filling inside, but everything is looking amazing. And yeah, this client is going to enjoy this bread because it's moist. The fact that this bread is moist, the recipe is top notch. Like, I have other recipes on banana bread. You can go ahead and check my playlist on cakes, and you'll find other recipes. But you see, this one, if you want to start up a business and you don't want to overcharge your clients, go ahead and use this one, because it's going to be really helpful. You are going to gain. Okay, that is why I'm sharing this one. You are going to gain, unlike the other ones that you have to add a lot of ingredients, and at the end of the day you might not want to charge too much, or you might overcharged and all of that. So this one is going to really help you. Okay, so as you can see, it came out clean because I floored my pan. I used vegetable oil and flour on my pan, so it came out clean. So you're just going to package this. You can go ahead and remove this from the foil, but I like to package it with the foil because it keeps it together. Okay, it's better this way, it keeps it together, so I like to package it this way. I'm just going to package it, and we see what the complete packaging looks like. For those of you asking what the name of this nylon is, it's called glass nylon. Okay, I know there are other types that have this tape stuff on the edge, but this one is not like that. This one is just there. Okay, and it really comes in handy. I use this to store food in my fridge. Like, sometimes when my fridge is too crowded and I need to store food, I just go ahead and put them in this pack, and yeah, it's really handy. It's nice. If you can get it, please go ahead and get it. As you can see, it's serving what it's meant to be serving. It comes in different sizes. Go ahead and get according to what you are going to be packaging. This goes well with this mini 4 packs, and as you can see, it looking perfect already. So guys, this is exactly what it looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So I need you all to guess how much each of these goes for, and if you haven't liked, please like, comment, Subscribe if you haven't, please. I am begging, okay? And congratulations, we hit 33,000 subscribers. I am grateful for you all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Like I said earlier, please tell me the video you want to see next. Have a blessed day. I love you guys.